Alright y'all, we are back at it again at the storage facility. We have rented this huge truck to pack up everything that is in the storage container from when we moved out of our Danville house. Yeah! We moved out of the house in Danville almost 3 months ago now, and we haven't really done anything since then to further this process. Hello, ladies.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Hey, what is that?
This is pumpkin.
Oh my gosh.
Rosie.
Let me give that a try.
That one's a little bit. So there is, if I want to
watch this, right?
If I want to write it down. Are you gonna put... So keep doing star, y'all. I hope you guys are having a very relaxing day or a fantastic day. There's another item inside this. Good job, everybody. I could be cutting myself with this thing. Can you please stop doing that? Okay, get out. Okay.
Like I do this all the time, but I'm not bad at it.
No, it seems like you're doing a pretty solid job over there with all this balancing business. All right. Oh, this is awkward. Nice job, folks.
But yeah, it's this gorgeous fall day.
Well, this thing is pretty dang emptied out. Might not look like it, but it is. We just finished and I was not paying attention at all, and I accidentally pulled down our road as if I was going home. Literally not a thought. That was weird. We're not as in sync right now. I got a little pimple there, but you know what? I don't pop my pimples anymore because I've realized that when you pop them, all of the stuff that comes on the outside also pops on the inside. So it's not something you want to do. I know it's hard, but just let them be there. Maybe they won't keep coming up if you just stop popping them. I'm sorry, that's probably so annoying because that's not true entirely. I get it, okay? I get it. My china cabinet because I love it so much. It is a piece of home. It makes me so happy to have the china cabinet and the dining room table. It means so much to me.
Don't worry, I have it. I've got it and it's here.
Okay. My sweet little ducklings. Do you guys know what I realized recently? It's that I want to make sure that when I look back on my youth, that I look hot in all of the pictures, and I don't right now. I'm not eating. I'm struggling with a few different things with my hair and like my skin. I just need to get there sooner rather than later. It's just not always easy. This is one of the craziest experiences of my life, and you can't even see it. You can't tell how high up we are. All I have to say about this is Wakashi Wasta. Girls, how are you feeling?
Somehow, some way, this feels the fullest it's ever.
What?
Because it's the last of it, and I'm just seeing that everything I see, I need to take out.
Everyone's a little bit moody. But we're empty. Yeah.
Yoo-hoo!
Yoo-hoo! Enthusiastically, not.
Dirty girl.
Yeah, we have Ruri. No. Dirty. Wow, Mom, that's really cute. A beautiful, beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but I can't tell because I'm hot. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is totally crazy. There's nothing left, not a single thing anywhere. That is the last item, that stick.
She sold it, but Donna had a commercial.
Thank you, Penske. Hey, Rach. I'm not feeling silly goofy about this. We have to return the truck in the morning. And we unloaded it this morning. And then we went back and filled it up. And now we have to empty it. My butt hurts. This is sick. It's the crack of dawn. We decided to wait to finish everything till this morning because that would have been crazy. But we have 2 hours before we have to return the truck. It's a beautiful morning. It's cold, but we're bundled. Thanks for helping, kids. We ran out of time. So instead of everything going in the container, it's just in the driveway so that we can return the truck. Hey, girl, hey. Oh my god, I'm like that clip of Whitney that one morning where she's like out in the morning and her eyes are like red or like her hat's red or something and she's like, good morning. And it's like so perfect. I'm honestly excited to like get to the Caribbean. I think that's gonna be really interesting.
It's not gonna get that much warmer today.
That's just my dog. Ignore her. She's a dog. It's so funny. We look the same when we have Beanie on. We look like two like beans. We're triplets. Face funny. Face funny. Rachel is my star. I would be dead by now without you. Me too. You'd be in the grave. Ready? Let's do our dance that we practiced. I want to say I'm in the grave. So wide awake. No, get out. So I'm going to.
Next part of the dance that we practiced earlier.
Wide awake. Please don't wake me. Oh! Birds of a feather. We should stick together. Yeah. Imagine if the neighbors see us and they think we're accidents. Oh!
Yeah, I actually did a dance with to that song.
Work it. Now for them first. Is that what the dance was?
No.
This next one is called Yogi Rap God. Don't press down on my head like this.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to leave a comment at the beat. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Get off me! That alone will go viral.
That is not.
Viral.
That is not.
Look at them eyes.
Wow, look at your skin. Wait, turn like this way. Oh my god, do you see that glow?
No.
Woo!
Stay in the car, okay? Can you move? They're so excited. The second they saw
Take
you.
a 2-liter bottle. They were like, yeah, take a 2-liter.
What the hell? Why would you take it? They gave it to us for free?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. They were like, yeah, take it. They were like, you get 3 bags of chips. I was like, okay.
What the fuck?
I took them and they said, yeah, take a 2-liter.
What? What does that even mean?
No. We don't drink soda like that. But I was like, well, this is an opportunity.
Charlie is like really comforting me right now. Intentionally.
Okay. Well, this is fine. Jill drives with him like this all the time.
Okay, Charlie, come to me.
Go sit with Rachel, okay?
Come to me. Apparently there's a lot that goes into flying a dog to an island. My mother is having a complete panic attack. This part is just a little bit unpleasant. It is T-minus 2 days before the shipping container has to take away all of our belongings. I can't pack anything because we have COVID.
It isn't as if he's coming from overseas or the States. He's from Nova Scotia.
Oh, hey. Oh my god. I'm feeling a little bit better. Haley's not.
No, I'm actually
But we still slayed the day. This room, I'm sure the vlog has never seen it before, but this room is so much cleaner and more beautiful and perfect than it ever was before because we emptied the house. Everything that is going to St. Croix is out of the house over by the container other than stuff that we're flying with. So even though I was sick today, my body did me a favor and said, you know what, we're gonna let you feel fine because we know you have stuff to do. But we're gonna take energy immunity shots.
Yes, because I need to get better. And
Haley needs to get, Haley has
nurses
clinical
to do it.
tomorrow. There's stuff to do. Okay.
It says
gonna
it's
be
a
yummy.
medium kick.
These things are always more yummy than you expect them to be. Ashwagandha, lion's mane, ginseng.
Good stuff.
I love the ginger kick. I honestly love it.
I would say that's medium kick.
Yeah. Good morning. The crane is getting our container. This is actually really funny timing. I'm on top of it and they're showing up. It's full. I've had COVID the past few days, so I have not helped with the last steps of filling the container, but it's full. I'm gonna get down so I can get a good clip of them lifting this insane thing. We forgot the compost bucket, so now I can show you the last of the inside of the container. It's pretty filled up. See you in STX, everybody. It's kind of dark in here. Wow. We fit our whole life in 40 feet. And I don't know how tall this is, maybe 10 feet. Woohoo!
You gonna go for a swing on that rope?
Ooh! Ah, that's a good idea. Could do like some of those aerial silk things. Ah!
Flinging my slippers, flinging my hat. Okay, let's go.
That's very brave of you.
Let's go.
I'm impressed. They had mentioned that it might be hard for the truck to get up the driveway, and we didn't really understand why. I'm beginning to understand why. The guy had to check the container to make sure there was nothing illegal inside of it, and he said, yeah, no, as long as there's no Democrats. Why did he have to look in there? To make sure there's no, like, drugs or dead bodies or anything. He didn't look very well. He said he trusted us. That's my dog. This guy is crazy. I can't tell a word he's saying. Sweet mom is trying to understand. She's too sweet. It's too much. Here it goes! Oh my god! Oh, you know what? The disappointing part is that I was imagining it like flying through the air, but they only had to lift it a little bit. I'm honestly a little bit disappointed. Dad's pushing it. He's pushing it. Here's our entire life in this flying box. I'm having a hard time believing he's actually doing anything. Mission success. Okay, I'm in my room now, but the truck is going with all of our stuff, and we won't see it until we're in St. Crucian land. It's okay, Rosie. It's just a truck. It's driving all the way to Miami, and then it's gonna go on like a boat or something all the way to St. Croix, and we'll meet it there. Even Rosie will meet it there. The wonderful thing now is that all of the crap that we had sitting in the house is gone. So like there's so much stuff in this beautiful porch, and now it's just a wonderful visiting area. This is like my favorite part of this house, I think. And I'm gonna miss it. And I love that it's been fall too. This is just like such a cozy fall home. Rosie is our pumpkin spice baby. Well, you can spend your life pretending to the poverty, doing less is doing more. Are you girls comfortable over there like this?
There's definitely something.
You girls look perfect.
I have no balance.
Grace is finally on the boat.
Last night, best time.
I don't need to ask that. Never mind.
Rachel, okay, I just want to make sure you didn't fall overboard.
Like the worst part.
Well, honey, it's a small place here and I don't see her.
Now everybody's toes are out. Look at all their toes are out.
No, Rosie, safe.
Rose is gonna be.
Oh, wait, Rosie. Coming to you today from Misery Island. Dad is going back out to get the others from the boat out there. Into the rocks! It's fine. It's a little cracked already. Just the screensaver. It looks like some kind of, I don't know what, ritual space or something. And on the other side is another little pond. This island is so peaceful, but you have to have a boat to get here, so it feels gratifying.
What do I have on my miserable island other than tequila, seltzer, and cranberry juice? I have no idea.
Hello, Pumpkin. That island looks so cute. This is It's a video, so maybe you'll take screenshots or I'll take screenshots.
Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my complexion's got my complexion? Wouldn't
It's
you
collection.
Everything, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Look at the ground, here you think, sure, she's got everything.
Let's change to the chicken song.
Grace is crying. Rosie's like, I want to get.
Grace is never gonna want to sail again. This is never. I'm not going to sail.
Kaylee's in the sky.
You want me to do